Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Junenata Wiguna, grade 12 VPM. On her, I will tell you the listed news. The first is traffic accident. I fall truck lost control while speeding on the Mangun Raharjo road, Surabaya, and suffer serious accident. The truck crashed a motorcycle that come from the opposite direction on Brunet. A pedestrian was saw the accident site that the full truck was seen speeding, then all of students suffer and hit motorcyclists who come from the fort on 3 December 2019. The accident made the motorcycle rider was killed instantly after being hit by the truck, while the truck driver suffered serious injuries to the crash and hit. 30 minutes after the accident, the police come to investigate the accident. After doing investigation, they found the cause that the driver was sleepy when driving the truck. In addition to the brake that didn't work, so he couldn't control his truck and hit the victim. The crane truck driver had been taken to hospital to be treated. And that was the news for this morning, Junenata Wiguna. See you in the next time.